Over Easter weekend in April 2025, a catastrophic and slow-moving storm system brought chaos and devastation to large swaths of the southern United States.
Just broke the windshield out of that car there.
A deep low-pressure system had stalled over the region, drawing in warm, unstable air from the Gulf of Mexico. As it collided with cooler air from the Rockies, the result was an explosive mix, ideal conditions for supercell thunderstorms. The winds were estimated to exceed 130 mph. Over in Weatherford, Texas, another suspected tornado tore through residential areas, ripping roofs off homes, snapping trees, and flattening fences like matchsticks. But tornadoes weren't the only danger. As the storms dragged on, they dumped inches upon inches of rain across central Oklahoma, triggering widespread flash floods. The city of Moore was particularly hard hit. Known for its tragic tornado history, Moore found itself under siege again, this time by rising waters. Within hours, streets became rivers and entire intersections vanished under murky, fast-moving currents. Their deaths serve as a sobering reminder of the unpredictability and speed of flash flooding. Local police responded to dozens of high water calls using boats and high clearance vehicles to reach stranded drivers. By Saturday evening, more than 30 tornadoes had been reported across Texas and Oklahoma. The National Weather Service confirmed that at least 5 of them were of significant strength, capable of causing major structural damage. In Ada, 30 people were displaced after tornadoes damaged homes and businesses. 1 man was injured by flying debris and transported to a local hospital. Elsewhere, the effects of the storm rippled outward. In Callaway County, Missouri, a possible tornado injured 1 person and damaged several homes. Arkansas was placed under a tornado watch, with severe weather warnings stretching as far north as Illinois and Iowa. Tens of thousands lost power as utility crews rushed to restore downed lines and damaged substations. And the scenes of devastation were eerily familiar. Flattened homes, splintered trees, shredded billboards, and twisted metal littered the landscape.
Oh! We're gonna lose our front windows on this one.
States of emergency. FEMA officials were deployed to assess the damage and assist with recovery efforts. The National Guard was mobilized to assist with rescues, debris removal, and providing essential supplies to isolated areas. And weather experts have called this storm system one of the most dangerous of the year so far. Its unusual longevity and sheer size made it particularly deadly.
Wow.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay informed about the latest developments.